Hello everyone, this is Deepika, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the recording software that I use to record the screen sharing on my laptop. So the software that I've been using over the past 8 years is Camtasia. When I bought it, I actually paid for the software, and since then there's no looking back, and I've been using this software. Now, it does come with a free trial. So during this free trial, if you are using Camtasia on a regular basis, and if you think that this is something you want to do it long term, then it is worth investing in this software. And currently, if you go over to this website, it's called techsmith.com. And over here in the product sections, they have multiple products, but we will be interested in Camtasia. And if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and click on the buy now button, and you can use this coupon code to get 20% off. Now, by the time you are watching this video, I'm not sure if you still have this coupon code available, but if it is, then please check it out. And otherwise, you can always find another coupon code for getting this discount. Or you can always send them an email and say, hey, I'm trying to use it, but it's too expensive. Can you share some promotion or some coupon code? And usually the support team will reply you with a coupon code. You can also tell them that I'm trying to be a Udemy instructor, and they will also initially, when I bought it, there was a 50% discount going on with Camtasia if you are a Udemy instructor. So reach out to either the Udemy team and also to the TechSmith team, send them an email and ask them if they have a coupon code for you to use it for a 50% discount, or any kind of discount is good, right? If you look at the buy now, this Camtasia is priced at $299. Now, once you buy it, you are going to get a key as well, and you also will be able to download the software, and you'll be able to use it. As you can see here, I am currently using Camtasia. The C stands for Camtasia, and this is the software that I use to record all my videos, especially the screen sharing videos or videos that I'm recording on my laptop. I use Camtasia for all those videos. Now, they do upgrades as well, and they do release a newer version every year. Now, if you want to upgrade it, then you also have to pay additional $139. So this is all about Camtasia. Go ahead and check it out. I will also be sharing other recording software that are out there. So compare and see which one is the best for you. I personally use Camtasia, and I've been using it over the last 8 years. So I've been very comfortable with it. But if you think that it's too expensive at this point, then I'll also be sharing other recording softwares for you, so you can compare and you can see which is the best one. Since I use Camtasia, so I'll be sharing with you how to record the videos through Camtasia, and also I'll be sharing with you how you're going to edit a video through Camtasia. So I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.